Netcrack-Central.
Today we are going to see how we can configure SNMP on ASA Firewall. So for that I have few commands written in this notepad. So this command is for SNMP walk. It is used to test the connectivity between the SNMP manager and the client. So our client will be ASA, this will be our client, and this will be our SNMP manager or SNMP agent I have mentioned here. So 1.1 is client and 1.4 is our manager. For that we have to use three commands in the ASA to configure SNMP. One is to create a group, okay, and other is to create a user with what parameter user is on the SNMP, and other is to add the host name, so on which manager it will communicate. So let's start. I will just copy and paste all these commands so it will save our time. I'm into the ASA. Let's go to the config terminal. Okay, before that let me show you SNMP walk command, how it is before the configuration and how it is after the configuration. So let me open another terminal. Okay, here we will paste that SNMP walk, and 1.1.1.1, sorry, 1.1.1.1 is our client. So from manager to client I am trying to test the connectivity, and let's see what is the output. Yeah, we got the output SNMP walk timeout, you can see here. So the SNMP is not, we are not having any connectivity for the SNMP. So this also helps in the time of troubleshooting. We should do always SNMP walk. Now let's configure SNMP into the firewall. Show run pipe include SNMP. There is no configuration of SNMP. I had copied that, paste. Okay, configuration is done. Now show SNMP server, and we have these options, so we can check user. You can see we have created the SNMP. Test username is test user. Okay, authentication protocol is SHA, privacy protocol is ES120, and group is test. Okay, so let's do SNMP walk again. Yeah, we are reachable to the firewall through SNMP.